Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Mango display keeps disconnecting from the internet, won't join your home network, or shows an offline status, don't worry because this is a fairly common issue. Since the Mango display depends on Wi-Fi for syncing calendars, photos, and updates, losing the connection can prevent new information from appearing correctly. In many situations, the problem is caused by network settings, router interruptions, weak signals, or temporary software glitches. Thankfully, you don't always need to reset the device to solve the issue. In this video, I'll share several simple troubleshooting steps that may help restore a stable Wi-Fi connection on your Mango display. Try these. Step 1. Check whether the Mango display is located close enough to the router to receive a reliable wireless signal. Step 2. Review the network details entered on the Mango display and make sure the Wi-Fi password is accurate. Step 3. Restart your router and give the Mango display several moments to search for the connection again. Step 4. Remove power from the Mango display for a short time and then reconnect it to refresh the system. Step 5. Open the network settings on the Mango display and reconnect it to the preferred Wi Fi network. Step 6. Confirm that the Mango display is online again.